All right, hello. Okay, so today for our math, we're going to start working on chapter 11. We're not going to dive into the whole chapter yet. We're just going to work on the Am I Ready section, which is on page 615 and 616. Okay, so what we are going to do is for number one, we're going to circle the objects that are the same shape. So for this chapter, we're talking about different two-dimensional shapes. So those are also called flat shapes. And we'll talk more about that in the chapter. But I want to look, and we're going to look, and we've talked about shapes before. We're going to look up here at number one, and we're going to see which shapes are the same. So first, let's just name them, okay? So we know that this is a circle, this is a triangle, a square, and a circle. All right, so we are going to circle the objects that are the same shape. Are there two triangles? Nope. Are there two squares? So we're going to circle the circles. Let's see if my pen will work. Okay, there we go. And there we go. Okay, so we have both of the circles circled. Great. Let's look at number two. We're going to circle the objects that are the same. So again, let's go through and name them. So we have a circle, a triangle, a square, and a triangle. So, do I have any other circles in this row? No. What about triangles? One triangle, two triangles. We're going to circle the triangles. Are there any other squares? No. Okay, so for number three, I'm going to use a color, so you can also get a color crayon if you would like. Number three, we're going to color the shapes that are the same. So we're going to look at the shapes and we're going to color them. First, let's name them. Circle, circle, square, rectangle, circle. This one's called a hexagon. Okay, so I see that there are three circles, so I'm going to color the circles in. One circle, two circles, three circles. Okay, let's look at number four. Let's name them. Triangle, circle, triangle, hexagon, triangle, rectangle. Okay, so I see that there are three triangles, so I'm going to color all the shapes that are the same, blue. So I saw that there were three triangles, so I'm going to color in the three triangles. Okay, very nice. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the page. I'll give you a second to finish coloring your triangles. Now remember, we're not coloring the circle or the hexagon or the rectangle because there are no other shapes that are the same. There are no other circles, there are no other hexagons, and there are no other rectangles. All right, let's look at our next page. Okay, so we're going to work on a couple vocabulary words, okay? So we are going to first trace down here. So this one right here says length. Everybody say length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Length. Length means something like how long something is. Okay, and then this one says size. S-I-Z-E. E. Size. Okay, so I'm going to use these words, length and size, to help describe. So I see up here these two pencils. The length of this pencil is longer. It is longer than this pencil. Down here, the yellow square is bigger in size than the pink square. Size describes, is it little or big? The red triangle is smaller in size in comparison to the blue triangle. And this green crayon is longer in length than the yellow crayon. All right, thank you so much. We'll dive more into shapes tomorrow. Okay, have a good day.